Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2014 Toyota Avalon for sale. This vehicle comes in a white exterior, and we have a beige and black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, nice kind of two-tone sort of beige and brown, as well as the black. Seat controls, driver's seat, steering wheel, rear seats, rear climate control including heated seats. Quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Take a look at our trunk here next. Got our Toyota Avalon badging, trunk, and let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at, let's see, let's try that one more time. Couldn't quite get focus in time. That's funny. Alright, so mileage currently at 99,866. Do have a push button ignition, touchscreen display, currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have climate controls, got our shifter, and we also have heated and ventilated seats here for driver and passenger. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.